Okay, now open it. Bridget. See the fluffy bunnies? They love to play all day. Bunnies come in lots of colors. Some are white, black, and brown. Turn the page. Bunnies have long ears. They have buffy tails. Bunnies have nets of grass. The grass is soft and sweet. Turn the page. Some bunnies live on farms. They make their houses in tree trunks. Bunnies can live in the woods. They dig long holes to make their houses. Turn the page. Bunnies have long, strong feet that help them jump very far. Bridget. Bunnies have long whiskers. Sometimes their little noses twitch. Okay, turn the page. Bunnies eat green vegetables. Open it more. They like lettuce and celery, but best of all, bunnies love carrots. Bunnies eat their carrots every day. Turn the page. Some bunnies live in houses like we do. Bunnies make good pets. Bye-bye, bunnies. I hope I see you again. I think my bunnies